years. No, 9 years. I was to say 10. 9 years.
But they say it not finish.
Yeah, I have one next piece under the I'm gonna be putting a little red label wine. So we want the man them always not chipping for do nothing to make it easier. This are I pretty girl, pretty baby. She's so shy. Hey YouTube family, happy Monday. So she give me share eye. Me not give me vehicle. Come on girl around the back. Share eye to everybody. Watch for your face.
Hey guys.
So 3 girls of us today. We on the road. So I know camera girl make you make it look so.
Them nasty.
Them nasty I wish you there. God give me black road.
No, she should push her head and tell him.
Anyway, she run about this, so say hi. Nobody not see you. Hi. Yeah. So we are on the road. We are just to watch.
No, we had turned.
3 little errands. We are just running a few little errands. At the first me remember me and Kimarga. My driver first me and she out together.
Yeah, always.
So 2 youngers and 1 old footer. So we are here today. We are gonna make about 2 or 3 little stops. So we're gonna take you along with us. Hope you and the fam bam are having a great day and all of that. And I have something to report that the COVID is going on bad here in Jamaica again and all of that. And we're getting worried.
Because them now like the border.
Yeah, because I don't know what is happening. It's getting scary right now. So I don't know. I just feel like I'm scared more than before and all of that. What was yesterday was 20 new cases and 1 new death. And I don't like that, but I'm holding the faith not to make anybody feel panic and so. But I don't know, people been going to parties and stuff. I don't know what is happening. I really don't know, but it's like it. I don't know if it's this, I don't know what is happening, family, but it not going so nice over here. So we got to do something better. Me have my mask and all of that. And so, so I catch you.
Bad ear day.
Yeah, bad ear day for all of us. Only camera girl up top. So we catch you in the next clip.
Hi.
How we are go? We are going in, my girl. Hold on. Hold on, make sure come up. I hold on, Miss Agnes or Miss whatever. Shut up.
No, I mean, big
okay. Are you please hold on? I think you take it too deep.
We could have done better.
Him move from behind you. Him can't even wait. Him. Hold on. What's with you? But come and behave like him not have no sense. Come, I don't like them plaza business here, you know.
Just relax.
So you know, say I like a me now go drive now. I just some for a country me Alice. I can't manage. I just can't manage these people because nobody wants to wait. So
I could have entered saying because they said do not enter.
No, but you did it the right way. But it's like you take it too deep.
I could have done better.
Oh.
Remember, I said the next day I did the right this.
Look here, don't nobody show nothing because we don't really want nothing from me for buy. No, you stuff them. Yeah, you love park here, saying.
Every time I read it on park.
Why? What's with the whole heap of new cases them though, Kimmy? I don't know. So guys, we know so we carrying it years already, but that's where we're going today. So don't bother sound on board. That's where we're going. We don't go a lot of places in the because we are just a subtle type of Jamaicans. We don't have money to go lots and lots of places like that, you know. So we're going into
what time? At lunchtime?
Rapid True Value.
It's a lunch day, no?
We lunch, they may not eat lunch, so wanna show me lunch for lunch there Rapid True Value. We catch you when we in there, fam. You see the old foot and the two young as them.
Oh, I'm leave it in our car.
Leave it.
Show them what you got. No fast food, a fair thing already.
So family, we are on the road, but I'm gonna end it right here. And most of this vlog will have subtitles for you because most of the places that we're in, music was playing. Camera girl, she finished with her camera girl about this. So she have feed for her face around this. So she had a whole lot of little thing that we will buy in there. She run her back and eat because she have to go buy food. And she Kim me don't want the food today. Kim me not eating. Kim me I go through a little phase, you know, I told you all.
Right, true.
Yeah, so had a really bad experience too with the cashier, one cashier in our supermarket. But I saw them. I noticed that some of them cashier here now at Jamaica, yeah. You know, I mean, if anybody you when you go, some of these clerks, I take an enterprise, them just have some attitude, if them not see a share key, I'm not see just a certain way.
Classism is a very...
They don't want to talk to you, you ask them a certain little question, they don't want to respond.
Because
if they
them judge you.
They respond in a little ag-nature attitude, but you know, it is what it is.
So the classism is a very big problem.
I want to thank you for staying with us on this little vlog, although, as I tell you, a lot of subtitles going to be in there. So we want to thank you for being a part
but
of
you have to feed their face too.
Yeah, you can have my look. Oh, I'm eating, what is the name? Peanut brittle. But them peanut brittle, they look like them brittle.
But them sell them expensive in a supermarket.
I don't even know how much for these. I was took a clothes for stuff on them, say I 3,000 something. I don't know. But I always love peanut brittle. But these that taste like a long time, I eating it some years.
I don't know what them sell on the road.
This is what I'm having for lunch, and I'll get some water. So I get you post notifications. They will run on the screen, your post notification shout out, and make sure you are subscribed. You stay subscribed. Lots more content to come. Thank you.
Melanie. Bye guys.